Hey guys, it's me and Captain Pat here. Today we are going to explain the physics of why and how a boat floats and something like a 300-pound rock sinks on the beautiful Loch Raven.
Hi guys, it's Captain Pat here. It's a beautiful day. It's about 5 in the morning. And which way are we going?
Northwest.
Alright, so east. Alright. I'm hoping to catch a fish today. It's my first time out here ever. Let's see what we do. It's gonna be a good one, boys.
Thank you, Captain.
Alright guys, so when an object enters water, two forces act upon it. There's a downward force that is determined by the object's weight. There is also an upward force that's determined by the weight of the water displaced by the object.
An object will float if the gravitational force is less than the buoyancy force. So in other words, an object will float if it weighs less than the amount of water it displaces.
Alright, this explains why a rock will sink while a boat will float. The rock is heavy, but it displaces only a little water. It sinks because its weight is greater than the weight of the small amount of water it displaces.
A boat, on the other hand, will float because even though it weighs a lot, it displaces a huge amount of water that weighs even more. Our specific boat is about 14 feet long and 3.5 to 4 feet wide. As you see, it clearly is designed so that it will displace enough water.
Ask us to the question.
What's up, guys? We're actually heading to my secret spot on the lake, and
Fishing in the lake?
we passed some fishermen who were fishing with corn, and I was like, you don't fish with corn. All right, Pat, tell me a little bit about your rods and what you're throwing today on the boat for physics.
This one's got a reel. You can see the line. This other one, it's got red line. It's pretty cool. The one with the red line has this little thingy-mabobber. I think it's called a Senko.
That's a popper.
I think it stays on top of the. No, it goes under.
It goes on top of the one.
It goes on under.
It goes on top.
As you can see, it's green. It's got some black spots. It's a little red in there, a little yellow. It's really colorful. I think that's not good for fishing, but we're gonna try it anyway. And as you can see, one is longer than the other. I'm not gonna tell you which one. You figure that out for yourself. The water's a little murky today, so I want to throw it straight to the bottom. That's about it. I don't really know much about fishing.
So, how does this relate with physics, Pat?
Physics is everything. No.
Good answer. Good answer.
Alright, so what do we got today?
Well, it's a little bit cloudy. Just came off a storm front.
That's a rod.
This is one of my rods.
Oh, what's that thingy on it?
Secret bait. Trick worm. June bug on a shaky head.
So why is the line green? Is it special?
The line is green because it's braid.
It's what?
It's braided fishing line.
I don't know what that means. We're going against the current, so we're kind of moving slow.
This is my other rod. I really like this rod.
Why?
It's made by 13 Fishing. Shout out.
What's 13 Fishing?
Favorite company. It's really solid if you're looking for a cheap combo.
Oh shit, fish popped.
We got my other rod. This is my favorite one. And we're throwing a spinner bait because I think it'll catch the fish today. It's really nice. Solid rod. Really stout down by the bottom for the hook sets.
Explain to me your gear today. It's pretty.
What?
Explain to me what you got on there.
I said I just have a spinner bait on here.
I'm talking about your hat.
Old Bay from Maryland, baby.
Alright.
struggling to get out of. All right, guys. First spot. didn't pan out for us. Got skunked. Alright boys, physics experiment of success. We caught our first bass of the day on a trick worm. He's chunky, for sure.
It's a fighter.
Fighter, caught him on a trick worm. I think we're getting on something.
Let me see a close up of him. Dang.
Pat, what'd you catch?
Stick. Really big one. It's bigger than your fish though.
Alright, fish number 2, about a ½ pound. Gave a good fight. He's fatty though. Physics, straight physics. We're gonna do a little demonstration. Pat has a Senko tied on, and we're gonna see if it sinks or floats. It sinks. And much like we explained before, the Senko isn't really that heavy, but it displaces very little water, and it sinks because its weight is greater than the weight of the small amount of water it displaces.
Why?
This other lure that we have is much different than the Senko. We're gonna see if it sinks or floats. It floats. Like we explained before, an object will float if the gravitational force is less than the buoyancy force, which basically just means it'll float if it weighs less than the amount of water it displaces.
I just want to let the record show that the last time we were out here, I caught 2 fish, Emmett caught 1. He caught 2 today, so it's a 3-2 count. We will be back. Probably won't take any more videos. It's kind of distracting. I think that's why I didn't catch anything today. Emmett, you got any final words?
It was a great day out on the water. We stayed afloat due to physics, the physics of the boat. We stayed afloat due to the physics of the boat. Yeah, it's just a great time. Caught some fish.
Look at those fucks back there.
You can't cuss in the video.
They left before us. Just bleep me out then.